artificial intelligence, AI, holds the promise of transforming industries, enhancing human capabilities, and addressing some of the world's most pressing challenges. However, alongside these potential benefits, AI also poses significant risks that could have dire consequences for humanity. Many tech giants, researchers, and ethicists have expressed grave concerns about these dangers, urging the world to approach AI development with caution. One of the most immediate dangers of AI is its potential to disrupt labor markets on an unprecedented scale. AI's ability to perform tasks traditionally done by humans, from driving trucks to diagnosing medical conditions, threatens millions of jobs. The fear is that automation could lead to massive unemployment and deepen economic inequality, as those without the skills to work alongside AI are left behind. Andrew Yang, an entrepreneur and former U.S. presidential candidate, has frequently warned that AI-driven automation could render large segments of the population jobless. He has advocated for policies like Universal Basic Income (UBI) as a potential solution to mitigate the economic impact of this disruption. Similarly, Sundar Pichai, CEO of Alphabet, Google's parent company, has acknowledged that while AI can lead to productivity gains, it also necessitates a reevaluation of education and job training to prepare the workforce for a future dominated by AI. The rise of AI has also led to concerns about privacy and surveillance. AI-powered technologies like facial recognition, data mining, and predictive analytics have made it easier for governments and corporations to track and monitor individuals. This unprecedented level of surveillance could lead to a dystopian future where privacy is non-existent and citizens are constantly monitored. Apple's CEO, Tim Cook, has been a vocal advocate for privacy, often criticizing the misuse of AI in surveillance. He has argued that privacy is a fundamental human right and warned that AI-driven surveillance could lead to an industrial complex where personal data is weaponized against individuals. Similarly, Elon Musk, CEO of Tesla and SpaceX, has repeatedly emphasized the need for AI to respect privacy and be used ethically, calling for regulatory oversight to prevent its misuse. AI's potential to be weaponized is one of the most alarming dangers it poses. Autonomous weapons, or killer robots, could change the nature of warfare, allowing machines to make life and death decisions without human intervention. The prospect of AI-controlled military systems has sparked fears of a new arms race where nations compete to develop increasingly advanced and deadly technologies. Elon Musk and the late Stephen Hawking were among the tech luminaries who signed an open letter calling for a ban on autonomous weapons, warning that they could trigger a global arms race and lead to catastrophic consequences. Musk has been particularly vocal about the need to regulate AI before it becomes uncontrollable, famously describing AI as more dangerous than nukes. AI systems are only as good as the data they are trained on, and if that data contains biases, the AI will inevitably perpetuate those biases. This has already led to numerous instances where AI systems have made decisions that unfairly discriminate against certain groups, reinforcing societal inequalities. Satya Nadella, CEO of Microsoft, has emphasized the importance of building AI that is ethical and unbiased, urging the industry to prioritize fairness and inclusivity in AI development. He has called for the creation of diverse teams to work on AI projects, ensuring that the technology reflects a wide range of perspectives and reduces the risk of bias. Similarly, IBM's former CEO, Ginny Rometty, has stressed the need for transparency and accountability in AI. She has argued that AI should be designed to augment human intelligence rather than replace it, and that companies must be responsible for the decisions their AI systems make. Perhaps the most existential threat posed by AI is the potential for it to surpass human intelligence, leading to what is known as the singularity. This scenario envisions a future where AI becomes self-aware and capable of making decisions independently of human control. If AI reaches this level of sophistication, it could pose an existential threat to humanity, as it might prioritize its objectives over human well-being. Nick Bostrom, a philosopher and AI researcher, has extensively studied the potential risks of superintelligent AI. He has argued that without careful planning and control, AI could become an existential risk, potentially leading to human extinction. Elon Musk has echoed these concerns, describing AI as humanity's biggest existential threat and calling for proactive regulation to ensure AI is aligned with human values.